Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the packaging closely because original Magsafe packs usually reveal fakes at first glance. Open the box and compare texture, logo placement, and printing quality. Genuine boxes have precise embossing and perfect text. Next, check the serial sticker and model number. Those should match Apple's formatting. Finally, weigh the unit briefly and verify included accessories like the lightning cable and paperwork. Discrepancies here often mean counterfeit. Once done, now you test the hardware because magnets and markings tell the real story. Attach the pack to an iPhone and note the snap strength and exact alignment. Originals align dead center with a firm hold. Then flip it over to read the back text. Apple uses exact font, spacing, and regulator logos. Inspect seams and the USB-C port for machining quality. Loose ports or uneven gaps indicate aftermarket parts. If everything matches, proceed to software checks for full verification. Finish by verifying software reports because iOS communicates accessory identity. Attach the pack and open the battery widget. A genuine unit shows a named Magsafe battery pack and accurate percentage updates. Run a brief charge test and monitor temperature. Authentic packs regulate heat and hold stable power delivery. If the widget is missing, readings are wrong, or behavior is odd, record the serial and compare it on Apple's support channels. Troubleshooting tip: if uncertain, try another iPhone to rule out software or pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.